Most AI tools today send your conversations through external servers, where they can be logged, analyzed, or stored. BraveLeo's Bring Your Own Model changes that. With BYOM, you can run AI models directly on your own machine, meaning your data never leaves your device. One important clarification: local BYOM models run entirely on your device. Remote BYOM endpoints, like connecting an external API key, don't provide the same privacy guarantees, since requests are still sent to external servers. When you use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, your prompts travel through their infrastructure, and their data policies can change over time. Self-hosting removes that uncertainty. Your conversations stay in your system's memory, and nothing is sent to external servers. Before getting started, make sure you have at least 8 GB of RAM. 16 GB or more is strongly recommended. Between 2 GB and 65 GB of free storage, depending on the model. And Brave browser version 1.69 or higher. First, install Ollama. Ollama is a simple tool that lets you run AI models locally with minimal setup. Download it from ollama.com. After installing Ollama, open your terminal and run this command to confirm everything is working. If you see a version number, you're ready to continue. Next, choose your model and download it by running this command. This will install the model locally on your device. We recommend this as a reliable daily model for reasoning, coding, and analysis. Here's why we recommend specific models. We avoid models affected by foreign AI regulations. CrowdStrike research found that DeepSeek R1 generated about 50% more vulnerable code when certain prompts were used, creating potential supply chain risks. That's why we prioritize open models better suited for private and sensitive work. Now, connect your model to BraveLeo. Go to Brave Settings, Leo, scroll to Bring Your Own Model, and click Add New Model. All of the following details will be in the description, so you can easily copy and paste. Fill in these exact fields: label, model request name. Make sure the model matches the Ollama name exactly. Server endpoint, and context size, 4,000 or higher if your system allows. Now, open the Leo sidebar, click the model drop-down at the top, and select your new model. To confirm everything is working locally, turn off your Wi-Fi and ask the model a question. If it responds, your setup is fully local, with zero data leaving your machine. And that's it. You now have a private, self-hosted AI setup running directly inside your browser. Your conversations, your hardware, your control.